Drivin Ivan here, and this is a venue you don't normally see me do a car video at, but I love garage sales, and this one happens to feature a very, very cool car. This is a 1964 Ford Econoline truck, and it was actually a Yellowstone Park official vehicle that shuttled around employees and maybe even visitors too. So it's got a history. It's got a picture in front of it that matches sort of. It's this great fly on it, and it's pretty cool. Dwarf. It's a dwarf. It's a dwarf. Look at that. And the guy here uses it. He's a younger guy. He's probably not quite born when this was made, but I think that's what makes it kind of cool. Here it is from the other side. An actual Yellowstone Ford Econoline heavy duty from 1964. I had a 64 Corvair, and I really am upset about selling it. I regret it, and this is just that type of cool car. The owner loves it, drives it a lot. Look at this interior. Look how much character it has in it.
The shell on the top.
The shell at the top
is a drift boat.
It's a drift boat. There you go. So, what's your first name?
I'm Brian.
This is Brian's beautiful vehicle.
Yep.
And he drives it. He loves it. You got any other vehicles, or?
Yep, this one here.
Oh, that one right there.
And
Okay.
I got a couple Land Rovers.
All right. So you're a neighbor, and you're a lover of utility vehicles. Yep. Obviously.
Yep.
Well, there you go.
Virgil.
Virgil. It has a name.
Yep.
See, it's right there. Virgil's.
Yep.
What's the significance of that?
The gentleman who drove the bus in the park and then bought it when they retired it from the fleet, turned it into what it is today, and he Virgil's Ministries.
And his name was Virgil, obviously.
His name was Matt.
Oh no.
His name was Matt the Hat.
Fooled me. Matt the Hat, huh?
Yep.
Did he have a special hat he wore or something?
Yeah, he did.
You got a sunroof. You got a sunroof.
This is Matt's old hat.
Let me see. There's Matt the Hat right there.
Right here.
That's a good looking hat.
Yeah.
You know, Drivin Ivan, I'm known for my hats too. I got some pretty cool hats.
Ivan?
Drivin Ivan, man. That's me. Yeah, there you go.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So I'm just doing a cool video on any cool car I see, and you can search Drivin Ivan in any car. I hope you guys will smash that like button and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and check out all my music videos, like for Hotel California, where I play all the instruments. My Free or Mine music video has some of my car collection in it, my literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, and my disc golf videos. I think I might go shoot a disc golf video from here, so please do tune in. Check me out on all my channels, and again, thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.